Whoa!
Oh my God!
Whoa!
All right, guys. Well, we are at the Tigerton ATV trails. This is going to be Crossfire Jason's first off-road experience on the old XL250R.
XL Jason, yeah. The extra large.
My bike says it's 93. I think that's because we were sitting still, but it is a hot one today. So what do you think so far?
Fun for sure. You definitely go faster than me.
Hey, you keep it up.
Yeah, these are pretty well packed at least. Oh, some big rocks.
So are you standing up or are you sitting down most of the time?
Sitting.
Yeah. Yeah, when I first got the KLR, I pretty much always sat. Like the first 2 years, I think I owned it. Big rock.
You catch your and I almost conk out.
There's just trails all over the place.
Are you supposed to go up that hill?
Yeah, some people do.
Yeah, I was just saying, like, I think the single track stuff will be fun. Can't be that, because like as long as I'm going slow enough, I'm not really too much afraid of anything. But that's a different story over there.
Yeah, this is sort of confusing. I think this is still single track. Anytime, well, but this is all ripped up by ATVs, though. I don't know what we're doing here.
As long as you're having fun, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think like that's single track there. I guess this maybe it's like single track and ATV trail mixed together, sort of. Oh, this is bumpy. Woo.
Yeah, it is quite the little web of trails here, ain't it?
Yeah, it really is. Oh, I don't think I'm going through there.
Yeah, that does look pretty extreme, huh?
Yeah,
so it's not just like natural trails here, is it?
No.
It's like, yeah, we're gonna try to make it so you can't get through it.
Pretty much, yeah. That's essentially what they do, I think.
So is it a bad habit, just like put both feet down?
I mean, it's better to try to keep them up, but I mean, it just depends what you're riding over. Sometimes it's required, and sometimes if you can get away with it, it's good to try it. But
yeah, because like up that hill with all the ruts and rocks, I kind of just put both down and went up.
Yeah. A lot of times I'll just try to stand through as much as I can. I don't know if I want to do this. I'm kind of afraid we'll end up on the top of that rock face. And I'm not really sure if we will or not.
The way down doesn't look too bad if we had to backtrack.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you can go up that too, off to the left there.
I can, or someone can?
No, somebody can. Not me.
There's an arrow pointing at us. Does that mean
Is
something?
there? Oh, yeah, I don't know what we're doing here. We're going the wrong way, I think. They're stuck.
Oh, geez. Is that the same guys that were sitting there?
I don't know if it is or not. I don't know how the heck to get out of here.
Should we just
To
go
be
watch
honest.
them?
Yeah, we could.
They're having fun, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, stuff like that I think on one of those would be fun, as long as you don't flip it.
Yeah, I mean at least they have a cage, but it still might make for a bad day.
Right.
You want us to go up there and follow them, or?
I don't know if I can make it up that. Maybe I could, I don't know if I want to try.
No, you think that's that bad looking?
Kinda.
So you said we're at like 2 feet it.
Yeah.
Pretty nice water hole there.
That's the thing about this bike is I actually can't really 2 feet it. Maybe I'll see what I can do.
Yeah, I might have rode the clutch a little more than I maybe could have, should have.
Oh, yikes. Yeah, that's what you're talking about, I see. Scum hole.
Yeah. See, I like that. Is this that rock face that we were looking at originally?
It is, yeah.
There's actually an arrow here pointing towards that guy now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That was pretty badass.
Yeah, that was. That's impressive. How you feeling on that? Seems like pretty comfortable, huh?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Yeah, I figured you'd like this. It's not snowmobiling for sure. It's definitely different, but it's fun. I love it.
When we first got out here, it seemed like you're going pretty quick. Like I'd rather go slow and go through the rough stuff than go fast on the main trail.
Yep. Yeah. I skipped it.
I figured. You going that way?
I'm probably coming. No, I'm not going in there. No way.
When it's green, that's a little different.
Yep. Might catch something in there. Oh, yikes. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. That was fun.
Well, you got some steam action going on too.
Yeah, I'm a mess now. Just when you start getting a little confidence, right?
Yeah, the mud will do that to you.
Don't tell my grandma.
You got to fall down at least once on your first off-road ride, so got that out of the way.
Yeah, I think we want to go right here.
Yeah, agreed. Yeah, so what are we on? Is this ATV or is this single track? No, I don't even pay attention. I think we're still on
I think it's ATV.
ATV still, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty wide here.
Yeah.
So ATVs, anyone can go on and single as bike only, or do they not care? You're just not going to make it?
Yeah, it probably wouldn't be much fun, but I would assume that's probably frowned upon. These side trails are really neat.
Yeah, see, like this here, I like 2-foot it right away.
Yeah. Pegs are always better to be standing up, but I mean, yeah, if you're for just learning, there is nothing wrong. I mean, this is your first time out with mud and dirt and everything, so yeah, there's nothing wrong with being ready to catch yourself, you know, just until you kind of get the hang of how the bike handles the stuff that you're riding on. Woo! Even days. Wait a minute, were we through this already once? The other way?
Is that where I crashed?
It's not, but I think this was shortly after that. Well, how did we do that? I thought we were going the right way that time. Yeah, maybe they have some confusing signage. Oh, I think maybe we should have went up there. Oh, no, yeah, this is the swampy area.
Is this one we talked about and didn't go through?
Yeah, it definitely is. And I think there's somebody coming, too. I don't know how I'm going to get turned around. Yeah, being able to touch the ground well is definitely a nice feature to have on a bike. I can like barely get the ground on this.
I can't get back in the mud.
Oh no! Yeah, don't be afraid to just get off. Oh no!
I'm losing it!
It's a slippery slope. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get off and spin this around because I don't know. I thought the sign said this way, but I'm not going through that either way. So yeah, I don't know what the heck happened. I swore this said the right. Yeah, it says even days. What the heck?
Maybe, yeah, maybe it is screwed up because like we thought we were going the right way last time.
Right? Yeah, maybe they have some of their signage goofed up. I've only ever seen this from the trail. I didn't realize this was that neat. It's like a little waterfall there. That's cool.
I have to jump in there.
Yeah, it'd feel good today, that's for sure. That's the beginning of the single track. You want to try a little bit of it? I gotta spin around. I feel as though I may regret this.
Yeah, I don't know how you're supposed to actually motorcycle on this.
Yeah, pretty slow.
Yeah, I don't put my foot down at all, like on the pegs.
Yeah, I'm pretty much always ready to grab the clutch and standing up. Oh, boy, yeah, this is a big bike to try to make those turns. I'm up on the pegs the whole time so far.
Yeah, I don't think I've touched them yet.
I mean standing though. Yeah, my first gear isn't quite low enough to make this work real well, but
yeah, it takes like a leap of faith to just stand the whole time.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, this is the whole way would be okay with me. Oh yeah, that is a big drop, isn't it? Yikes.
Yeah, look where we are now.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, do we? I think there's a trail to the left. Is that looks bad, huh?
It's not great.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do that part. You know, you can get it on film when I crash.
Except I'm looking down at my tires. Good thing I got these high beams.
Oh yeah. Oh, here's a drop. Yikes. Whoa! There was the bottom of suspension. You might want to creep down that one. I didn't know if I was going to rub.
Yeah, I went around it just a touch.
Oh, that's probably good. Yeah.
But now the front tire doesn't want to move.
Oh, no. So you're hung up? You're hung up or you're good?
No, I'm good.
All right. And I thought I needed a 250. Oh, I wouldn't want to do this all day though, man.
Yeah, I almost wish the first was a touch lower now.
You almost wish what? The bike was?
No, the first gear.
Oh, yeah. This you almost kind of got to ride the clutch. Woo!
Getting the hang of it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're both learning something today. Oh my gosh. That's quite the hill. Not too terrible. Made it.
As long as you don't lock it up coming down.
Right. Ooh, this is steep.
Oh boy. That's not what I wanted to hear.
Oh my god. Woo! Made it.
Whoa! I almost ate it.
Well, this is certainly an adventure, that's for sure.
It's not adventure riding, but it's an adventure.
It is.
Definitely warm now.
Uh-oh. Oh, never mind. Yeah. I just saw the tree down here. I thought we were going to have to cross that, but we're good.
Yeah, I've learned that's not as much fun as you might think.
What's not as fun?
Crossing trees.
Oh, no. Yes, it's definitely not. I avoid that when I can, for sure. This one's way longer. This is 8 miles, I think, where the other one is 2. But that other one is definitely a lot more condensed and a lot crazier stuff.
I was going to say you can do this one faster.
Yeah, probably. And the other one's got some open parts, but there's some parts that are really tight. Woo! Whoop! There's the bottom of the skid plate. Oh, did I miss a section? What's going on here?
Maybe.
I don't know how we ended up there. Weird. Ooh, this is gonna get steep quick. Oh my god, this was a bad idea. Whoo boy! Yikes!
I kind of went a different way.
Probably not a bad idea.
Oh man, yeah, this is like off-road riding, getting stuck left and right, like
Yeah.
just gassed, not even doing anything.
Oh yeah, I think I need a rest. My hands are feeling it. Whew. I'm glad I turned the camera on.
Yeah, right.
That was good.
Oh man. Yeah, I could use water now.
I bet. My mouth is dry.
50 miles today.
Yeah? Nice.